After years of decline due to a lack of proper playgrounds, karate is experiencing a resurgence in West Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya, with the West Jaintia Hills Karate Association recently resuming training at a new playground in Lumpirdi, Yongpia. A 10-day training camp held from October last week attracted dozens of children and youth, preparing them for the Meghalaya Games 2025 and reviving interest in the sport. The camp included instruction in techniques, self-defense and more.
Even in English, I can't do because I am. Tinggi kan nanti in lapan dan kita ya. Ladan berada lupa kita di sana. Tinggi in nang yosu kita berbeda. Di one plan A ini kan, ya kan kita fokus ya sama apa? Karena itu kalau kita fokus di Olympic sports, mau tenang tanam segi filapan jo perlu. Lalu di national player job medal ini services team. Assam Rifle, CRPF, Shave Group, GCGSM, Karate. Specific Karate Mota. Di kanong opportunity biru, lada 50 green ha. Pada kor siapan pulih ha, di bawang menjual kali yang pulih, siapan pulih ha. Nang tadi kemasuk, perkara apa pun, SU ini tidak di sports award, tidak di sports scholarship dan future.
Pauline Wargery announced a charity concert